this morning and say what a tremendous honor it is for us to host SDPS Model United Nations Conference 2024 here at S.D.Public School, Muzaffarnagar. I am both pleased and impressed to be surrounded by so many bright and inspirational, young as well as experienced people. And I hope that you will enjoy your experience and feel that your participation as delegates was worthwhile. I look forward to following your debates and discussions here today and tomorrow. For our eminent guests, I would like to share the fact that MUN, Model United Nations Conference, is an extracurricular activity in which students typically role-play delegates to the United Nations and simulate UN committees. Today at SDPS MUN, the student delegates from 7 public schools would simulate UNSC, United Nations Security Council, UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme, ECOSOC, Economic and Social Council, and WHO, World Health Organization, to discuss and debate the dangers of cyber attacks, issues related to the widespread usage of cryptocurrencies, deforestation of the Amazon and mitigation of its current effects, and improving the quality and security of vaccinations and providing stable medical supplies to regions in need. These issues are, of course, very close to my heart, and I can say with certitude that these will interest you also. Lastly, I want to say that the road to success is always under construction. Now, I, Aryan Raj Verma, Secretary General of SDPS Model United Nations Conference 2024, being held at SD Public School, Muzaffarnagar, declare the MUN open.